Eudaimonia is much more than happiness. And why is that? Because it's living life fully. And let's juxtapose happiness and eudaimonia for a moment, because happiness, etymology of the word, how the word is created, comes from hap, and hap means happens. It's something that we cannot control. It's something external. It happens, which, you know, is okay. But in essence, happiness is something that as humans, we cannot control because it's external. Eudaimonia is all about the internal work. And I'll explain a little bit more about eudaimonia in a moment, why it's internal. But let me finish with the happiness part. So for me, happiness is a cage, a static state of expectation for perfection that depends on external factors. A heavy weight on the human soul, if you ask me. So I desperately, 7.5 years ago, wanted to be happy. I wanted to be happy in my career. I wanted to, you know, everybody thought I was happy, but I wasn't. And I was expecting my job to make me happy, my manager to make me happy, money to make me happy, time to make me happy. I don't know, promotions to make me happy. And then they stopped making me happy. So I was in trouble because what I expected would make me happy didn't make me happy anymore. So I ran out of options. Right? I was married, so I got the guy I always loved. I should be happy, but I wasn't. Something was wrong. I ran out of paradigms. Eudaimonia, on the other half, gives us permission to not have all our ducks in a row. So our ducks don't need to be in a row. They can run any direction they want. Okay, so think of little ducklings and they're running all sorts of directions they want. I think people who have children will probably know that nothing is in order at any one point in time. So eudaimonia gives us the ability to feel frustrated and angry, yet be able to be grateful of all the good in our lives. Eudaimonia purely depends on our perception, so we can control it, and it is empowering. Eudaimonia is very empowering as a state of mind, as something to aim for. So eudaimonic well-being is not just an ancient philosophical concept, by the way, and whoever wants to read a little bit further about it, it has been proven in psychology by Carol Riff. You know, I can send you the scientific paper if you need to, but I won't bore you with that today. What I would like you to keep with you is that eudaimonia is a state of dynamic balance.